Advanced packaging depends on one thing above all: precision. When wafers and semiconductor materials need to be separated into individual dies, even a small variation in the cut can affect the next step in the process. This dicing saw provides precise, repeatable singulation across silicon, molded core, and other semiconductor materials. Precision alignment ensures accurate blade placement across patterned wafers, while a dual blade configuration supports multiple dicing techniques. For researchers, that means greater flexibility. From dicing native 300mm silicon wafers for fan-out wafer-level packaging, to producing individual samples smaller than 1mm by 1mm. Discover more at cores.research.asu.edu.